I Am Woman sisters, and those of you to be a I Am Woman sister. I am back again, super excited. September 29th and 30th, the only place to be is at the I Am Woman's Conference in Atlanta. It is beyond amazing. I know I don't have to tell those of you that it's already been there this. It really is amazing, and I am thrilled. As you know, this year we're going to be looking at living our lives like it's golden. And that in and of itself, if we did nothing but spent the entire 2 days looking at what does it mean to really live a golden life, personally for you, and where are the places where your life isn't as golden and as shiny and as fulfilling and as purposeful. We're going to stop and dissect each area of our lives, and you get to personally shine up and take to the next level the areas of your life that is not fulfilling and is not meeting your dreams and expectations. We're going to look at how to beat the odds, you know. For some of us, we've had some ups and downs, and some of us have had more downs than ups. We're going to hear from women that have had more downs than you can count, and they have beat the odds. Solid goal. You know what we're talking about this year? When we talk about solid goal, we're talking about our health in very tangible ways. How do you keep your goal, meaning your health, solid? So we're going to take a look at that. Unapologetic. We got some powerhouses like Ann, the CEO of Curator, that really talk about how at 45 do you become a CEO as a woman of color, who the world said, you know what, you're not even smart enough to be an engineer, let alone a CEO. There's so many amazing things. Let's not forget the force and the energy and the power of all of us in this one room moving our lives forward in such a powerful way. I'm personally going to spend the morning with you breaking down what does it mean to have those 5 bold steps to live your life in powerful freedom. That's going to be amazing. We're going to laugh. You know, it's fun. We're going to dance. We're going to cry. We're going to celebrate. But we're going to leave more powerful than we came, more effective than when we came. Join us. Don't miss it. Tell every woman you know they must give themselves the gift of I Am Woman. IamWomansConference.com is how you signed up. IamWomansConference.com, September 29th and 30th in Atlanta. Don't miss it. It is going to be super amazing. Register now. Can't wait to see you there.
Perfect.